welcome back to the other part of helpline. So let's move to how you can manipulate points. Okay. So yeah, I just spoke about the normal stuff and scattering stuff. So now it's much easy. So like um I have points of scatter. So yeah, so manipulating. So like I have a grid, and these are the point. Okay, on this point, the grid is going to replace it. So p scale, I have a p scale I'm using randomized p scale, and here I have a scale attribute. Okay, so scale is like uniform. P scale is like point scale. Point scale. So based on point, the scale will be different, but scale is like a uniform. Then again, I'm putting some attribute random. Maybe basically I'm creating a new normal. You see, randomize, I'm creating a new normal, and these are the value and normal. Okay, so now you get this. Okay, so if you don't put that at normal, it's going to be like this. Okay, and you can see a difference p scale. Okay, but if you change that to 1, then everything will have the same scale. Okay, so except, you see some side it's stretchy because I told them to be stretchy. Okay, that will make you understand more. And what's the use of this? I'll put it. What's the use? It's like one of the use is multiple placement in at multiple shape. And another is this one, which you will be using for when you start using Boolean fracture, and then it can be used for fracturing. Okay, and so it's like if you have normal, I just spoke about if you have a normal, and then if you have an ISO offset, okay, I'll put that normal. Okay, if you have a normal before the point, then you will have normal for the point as well. But if you have ISO offset, okay, then you won't be having it. Then you have to recreate the normal based on whatever you want, okay? Or you can there is something called attribute copy. So you just can copy this attribute from this. And you can say normal. Okay, so you have a point, and this is giving you exactly how it was for this. Okay, but yeah, again, you can use that, or you can use attribute transfer. Use attribute transfer and then transfer the normal. So I have an offset and I have points, and I just give more room to talk more about this. Okay, and I'll put a shift switch here so that it just go to this. So this is one method. Okay. Okay. So first method is attribute random. Okay. Second, I'll go for attribute transfer. So second, I'm actually taking this attribute of normal and passing into this to this. Okay, so that's what you see here. And third one is this one, copy, which you can see it is actually taking from this, and it is missing this points inside. Okay, whatever there are points inside. Okay, so these are the other method. You can either copy or transfer. Let's move to the Orient and rod. Okay, so it's the same grid. generate, and I have an attribute randomized for rot, which is 4-dimension, Orient, which is also 4-dimension, and I have Orient and rot. Okay, and just for don't need a scale, right? So I'm just for the sake I'm keeping scale, p scale. Okay, so you can see rot, difference of rot. So for rot also you can keep -1 and 1, -1 for all the angle. Okay, so you can see it's all the side it has rotated. And Orient also does the same thing. Orient also, if you change, it has a limitation. With the combination you can do, this is the combination. Okay, so you can mix Orient and rot because both are 4-dimension. And now using up and normal, you can see it here. Here also 0, 0, 0. Both does the same. Okay, so meaning, so this is for normal. So normal 0 and 1 will be like this. Okay, and up it will be, right now I have a value, that's why it's going like this. To make you understand, like a stand up. Okay, there is no tilt or rotate or something, but this, you see, or even if I keep it -1, -1, -1, you see, it has a tilt and stuff, but up is like straight. Okay, so that's the example for when to use it. Some sphere and then giving velocity. Okay, so global scale is 30, have an initial force, or you can even add velocity and put a curl noise. This is like an option, not like this, this like an option, whichever method you want. Okay, either you can use attribute to bring velocity, or you can bring velocity, point velocity node itself, and you can use any method for, and you can do the same. It's just very simple. Or curious, you can play and see. There will be velocity randomly because I'm using random, and global speed 30. Okay, so that's what it is. And even now you can use p scale. So angular velocity is best for torus, not for sphere. So spinning and stuff, you can see it, angular velocity. Then like there is a velocity, but with an angle, there could be rotation. Okay, so you have this, and you put angular velocity. Okay, so you can see the value and global speed. So now if I play with the RBD bullet, you see the curve, that is angular. If you don't have that, how it goes straight. Okay, but with angular velocity, you can get it.